Galaxy S24 launch date. The anticipated launch date for the Galaxy S24, as reported by SBS Biz, is set for January 17, 2024, in San Francisco, USA. Samsung has reportedly solidified its plans for the launch event, and preparations have already commenced. The most recent and reliable rumors suggest that Samsung is making some adjustments to the rear camera array. The standout feature, the 10.0x periscope, will remain in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but the 3.0x telephoto lens used since the days of the Galaxy S20 Ultra will be replaced by a 5.0x telephoto to compete with the camera capabilities of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Don't worry, as a 3x shooting mode may still be available in the camera app to capture optically perfect photos by cropping the main camera sensor. Additionally, Samsung intends to retain the 200MP wide-angle sensor. According to speculation, Samsung might do away with the dedicated 3x telephoto camera and rely solely on the 10x periscope lens. What about zoom levels between 1x and 10x? Well, by cropping from the 200MP isocell sensor in the main camera, which is likely to remain, Samsung can employ a hybrid zoom that emulates the function of a 3x camera, aided by on-device AI. Rumors also hint at a 150x space zoom, which is an even longer reach compared to the previous 100x space zoom on earlier Galaxy models. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Galaxy S24 Ultra display features and specs. Regarding the Galaxy S24 Ultra's display features and specifications, it is expected to feature a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display, similar to its predecessors. Recent rumors suggest that Samsung may utilize a next-gen M13 OLED display panel, which is thinner and more efficient compared to the M12 chip used in the Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy Z Fold 5, Galaxy Z Flip 5, and the upcoming iPhone 15 series. Additionally, it's reasonable to assume that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will sport a 3080x 1440 pixel panel with a commendable 500 ppi sharpness, Gorilla Glass Victus 2, and the exceptional contrast, vibrancy, and overall color quality that Samsung's flagship phone displays are renowned for. In short, the display is expected to be of excellent quality. Galaxy S24 Ultra battery and charging. When it comes to the Galaxy S24 Ultra's battery and charging, the latest rumors indicate that it will likely feature the same 5000 mAh battery that has been common in flagship Galaxy models for the past few generations. Despite earlier rumors of a potential stacked battery cell technology that could have increased battery density without enlarging the cell size, it appears we're still sticking with a 5000 mAh unit. As for charging, it's rumored that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will continue to support 45W fast wired charging, sufficient to fully charge the 5000 mAh battery in about an hour. Wireless charging and reverse wireless charging will also be available. Galaxy S24 Ultra hardware and specs. In terms of hardware and specifications, the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a second Gen 4 nanometers chipset, is widely expected to be the exclusive choice for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is likely to power the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus in the USA, while the more affordable versions worldwide will use the Exynos 2400 chipset. As for RAM and storage, rumors suggest up to 16 GB of RAM for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The base 256GB version is expected to come with 8GB of RAM, while the 512GB and 1TB versions may have at least 12GB of RAM to meet various multitasking needs. Please give us feedback in the comment section. Kindly like, comment, share, and subscribe for more quality videos. Thanks.